Welcome to Kiduzo.
Hello, friends. Let's learn colors with balloons and toys. Are you ready? Let's go! First, red balloon and red car. Red. Second, yellow balloon and yellow duck. Yellow. Third, green balloon and green frog. Green. Fourth, blue balloon and blue train. Blue. Fifth, orange balloon and orange ball. Orange. Sixth, purple balloon and purple teddy bear. Purple. Seventh, pink balloon and pink doll. Pink. Eighth, brown balloon and brown horse. Brown. Ninth, white balloon and white rabbit. White. 10th, black balloon and black cat. Black. Wow, so many colors with balloons and toys. Watch again to learn them all. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Kiduzo.